Do I look good? I think this is the best I can do. I'm already lost. A week ago I tried recording this video and I talked for like 40 minutes and my camera did not record one single bit. Did I cry? No. Did I want to cry? Yes. Hello, 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 hello. Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a very exciting list of free dress patterns for you. These are beautiful and trendy and modern and, have I mentioned, free. So without further ado, let us jump into it because there is a good list and you all know that I like to talk, so I need to keep things short, snappy and sweet. Number one is the Peppermint white strap dress. When I first saw this dress, I was like, wow, this dress gives me COS vibes. It's got a square neck, wide strap, elasticate back, and it's got really nice pockets. Man, I really like it. It's really cute and it's worth checking out. Moving on to number two is the Nova dress from So magazine. Listen, when I first saw this dress, I was like, do I like this dress? Should I mention it? And then I had a vision as someone finishing a day at the beach, coming back, getting a shower, putting this dress on in a nice like clean fabric, so something like a plain linen, and then going out for dinner. Whew, I was like, I like this dress. I was like, it's got potential to be one of those island holiday dress, and I think that's good. We all need that kind of dress in our lives for when we're out and about living our best lives. Number three, okay, the Clementine dress. Oh, this is so beautiful. I think this dress has Instagram vibes all over it because I've been seeing this dress all over Instagram and I was like, oh, that's such a cool idea. And then I saw that the Mood Fabrics website has this pattern for free and I was like, I need to mention this because this is such a cool pattern. It's got these cutouts here, which is great because it means you can still wear a bra, and some of us need to wear a bra. So I love that the cutouts are here and I just love the vibes of this dress. Oh, I'd love to make this dress maybe in the summer when I'm not so pregnant. Moving on to the next dress, also from Mood Fabrics, is the Bridgerton dress. We've all seen Bridgerton, we've all seen the fashion, seen the vibes, seen the costumes and the hairs. And listen, this is a really cute pattern, whether you want to make a Bridgerton inspired dress or you just want to make a square necked casual dress. Very nice. You can make it as a, like, you know, your prom dress, or like, oh, I'm going to a cute wedding, I'm gonna make a fancy little dress. Or you can just be like, you know what, I'm going out on a Saturday morning run to my local pastry shop to buy a croissant and I'm gonna wear my casual square neck dress. It's got those kind of vibes to it. You're welcome to choose between those two vibes. Okay, I need a break from sitting down. I need to move a little. Okay, all right. Okay, I think I'm comfortable. Let's move on. Okay, so the next pattern is kind of a wild card, but I thought I'll throw it in here. It's this zero waist dress from Schnittchen. I think I'm saying this right. And honestly, when I saw it, I was like, oh, I like it. Oh, I'm not sure I like it. Oh, but I really like it. It's got such good vibes to it. And I was like, I'm not sure I like it. So I couldn't really make up my mind whether I liked it or I didn't really like it. But I thought, you know what, I'm gonna mention it on here because there might be people on here who are like, I really like that dress. It's supposed to be zero waist, so you don't waste any fabric, and it's supposed to be super kind of straightforward to make. So check it out. The next one is the off-shoulder tunic dress from So Guide. I saw this dress and it reminded me of a dress I used to have, and I loved that dress. I think it was so flattering on my body, and it's basically this like off the shoulder dress that is quite straight on the body, and then you've got a tie to kind of cinch you at the waist, which is super flattering, and it's midi. I wore it at the beach in Australia. I loved it, so I thought I'd mention it on here because it's a really good thing to have in your wardrobe. Next one is the Val Maxi Backless dress from Fabric Store. Now this is like a interesting dress because from the front you're like, oh, quite simple, quite classic, quite, you know, feminine. And then boom, you turn at the back and it's like a really nice kind of sexy back. I'm like, oh, I like that. I wrote in my notes that this dress has a classy sexiness to it. So check it out. Stay hydrated, people. Stay hydrated. That's how you get glowy skin. You might not like the toilet trips that comes with hydration, but cheers to the glowy skin that comes with hydration. Okay, so moving on. The next one is the Lucia Camisole dress from fabric store. And at first you look at this dress and you think, oh, a nice, really cute wrap dress. And then you look closer and you realize it's a full wrap dress, so it doesn't actually wrap. It's just got that illusion of a wrap dress. But I love it. I love this dress so much. It looks so clean, so minimalistic, so elegant. Anything like that, like a white linen dress at the beach, just makes you look put together and elevated. So I was like, oh, this is a dress worth mentioning here. All right, moving on. If you want an actual wrap dress in that style, I have found the Louise wrap dress, and it is beautiful. Again, wrap dress, straight, midi, very flattering. And I tell you what, this dress, it is a great transitional piece, because you put a bit of a turtleneck underneath it, you put a bit of a t-shirt, a denim jacket, and you're moving into autumn. And that's good to have in your wardrobe. It's always good to have multi-purpose, multifunctional pieces. Ooh, I feel like I'm going through this list quite quickly, which I am very impressed with. So let's move on. Let's keep going. I don't really know what number this is, but the next one on the list is this Bandeau dress from Contour Affair. I followed this beautiful woman on Instagram, and when I saw this dress, I was like, ah, this is such a cool idea. You kind of have this square neck dress that ties at the back, and it's got like a really cute kind of A-line skirt. And when I looked at that dress, I was like, oh, this gives me like French countryside vibes, you know, like you see on Pinterest when like they walk with their like nice baskets and their French baguettes in the fields to sit down and have a picnic. And I was like, this is the perfect French picnic dress. And I was like, I love it so much. And she's pregnant and she wears it, you know, on her bump, and it looks amazing, but it obviously wouldn't look amazing on a non-pregnant body. So check it out, my friends, check it out. And talking about picnics, the next dress is the picnic MuuMuu dress from Rudy Jude. She has an Instagram tutorial on this dress. It is so beautiful. I really don't know how to pin this dress and like how to kind of box it and label it, and I really don't want to, because I feel like this dress could be a nightie, could be a really nice kind of casual dress, could be the dress you wear to go and pick up some eggs from your chickens first thing in the morning so you can make breakfast for yourself. I don't know, I love this dress so much. It's got those like, I'm living my life and I'm content with my life kind of vibes to it. And if you're not familiar with Rudy Jude, please check her out on Instagram. She is who I want to be when I grow up. Every time she posts, I'm like, oh my lord, you are such a creative person. And I'm inspired by you, lady. I'm inspired by you, so check her out. Na 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 na. I wrote in my notes that this dress is a dress you wear while baking scones. And I see that. I see this dress being a good dress for baking scones. All right, moving on. This dress that I'm about to mention made me be like, wait a damn minute, I can't make this dress because I'm pregnant. But if I wasn't pregnant, I would have made this dress. And it is a drawstring midi dress from Essentials Club, and I love it. It is figure hugging, it is soft, and it is feminine, and it's got those like relaxed Australian vibes. I've lived in Australia for 2.5 years, and honestly the fashion there is just like super cash, super relaxed. Everybody just wants to be comfortable because it gets hot in there. So this is the vibe this dress has. This dress looks you in the face and it's like, girl, I'm gonna make you comfortable and I'm gonna make you relaxed in life, and then when you wear me, you will not wear anything and you will not worry about anything. This is the kind of conversation I can imagine you could have with this dress. So check it out and see for yourself, man. Alright, so the next dress is a beautiful, beautiful cottagecore Instagram worthy dress. It is a Milkmaid Dress from Lydia and Naomi. She is here on Instagram, check her out. And because this is her birthday month, Lydia has kindly offered this pattern for free. So go check it out. It is limited availability. Go download this pattern. Tell your friends, tell your cousins, tell your mother, tell your dogs about this pattern and get them to download it ASAP. This gives me Reformation-y kind of vibes. This gives me It Girl kind of vibes, a youthy vibes. So I really feel like this is a winner. Alright, so we're nearing the end. We are getting to the finish line with a beautiful dress from the Peppermint magazine, the button-up dress, my friends. I thought I'd mention this in here because I think this could be like a really nice summer dress if you make it in linen, if you make it in gingham, if you make it, you know, half red, half pink kind of vibes. And it could also serve as a great transitional piece if you make it in denim, right? You can wear a denim dress in the summer, really nice chunky boots, and then you can put again a t-shirt underneath it, a turtleneck or a cozy jumper on top, and you got yourself a transitional piece. And listen, the weather in the UK is so miserable outside that all I keep thinking about is autumn. Because the weather is miserable, also my baby's arriving in autumn, so I have autumn on the mind. So I think this could be a really good piece for autumn and summer at the same time. So this wraps up my list, and I thought I would throw in there the shirt dress, which I am wearing today. It was not on purpose. When I made this list, I didn't tell myself wear the shirt dress, but I thought I'd mention the shirt dress. I've got a video on my channel about how to make this dress. I love this dress. I wore it last year so much. I'm still wearing it this year. It is so comfortable, breezy, easy, lemon squeezy. So yeah, definitely recommend this dress. And this is us done. We have done this list. Listen, for some of these patterns, you have to sign up to their newsletter in order to receive the pattern. So check the instructions. Everything's gonna be linked in my description. But I have a little burp. And another one. Here's what I'd love for you to do. If you do download a free pattern from any of these companies, check them out and like follow them on Instagram and give them a like, tag them when you make the dress, because I think a lot of work goes into making a pattern and people give it so generously, which is like, wow, that's so kind of you to give your pattern away for free. So ask yourself, okay, these people have given me a free pattern, how can I in return bless them and thank them? So I definitely encourage you to do that. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing. Honestly, thank you for your comments. Everything means so much to me. Follow me on Instagram. I have a lot of fun on there. And the next video I'm about to do is starting a series, and it's a very exciting series, and I'm so excited about this series. So stay tuned and subscribe and just hang around because it would mean a lot to me. Okay, thank you and goodbye and bye-bye and see you later. Come on, somebody.